Enough with senseless memorization. Instead, try to understand the logic behind physics. Velocity, force, energy, momentum. They're not just words for your homework. They explain everything from a sprinter's burst of speed to why you feel a jolt when a car stops abruptly. Grasp these concepts and you'll see the world with completely new eyes. Ready to dive in? Imagine getting hit by a pillow versus a bowling ball. What's the difference? Momentum. Momentum is mass times velocity. The more mass or velocity, the more momentum. In a collision, momentum gets transferred. So, a fast, heavy truck has a much bigger impact than a slow bicycle. Understanding this is key in lots of areas, from sports to road safety. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into some key physics concepts showing you how they show up in everyday life. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about speed. Imagine you're in a car, cruising on the highway at 60 miles per hour. Speed isn't just about how fast you're going, but also the direction. So if you're heading north at 60 miles per hour, that's your velocity. Easy, right? Now let's move on to acceleration. Picture this. You're at a red light, and when it turns green, you hit the gas pedal. The car starts to pick up speed. That change in speed over time, that's acceleration. It's not just about going faster though. It can also mean slowing down or changing direction, like when you brake or take a turn. Those are both forms of acceleration. Next concept is force. You've probably heard of Newton's second law, F equals sine mr. Simply put, force equals mass times acceleration. Think about pushing a shopping cart. The harder you push, the more force, the faster it moves, the more acceleration. And if the cart's full of groceries, more mass, you'll need to push harder to get it moving. That's force in action. Let's talk about energy. Ever felt tired after running? That's because you used up a lot of energy. In physics, energy comes in many forms. Kinetic, that's the energy of motion. Potential, stored energy, and more. When you run, your body converts stored energy into kinetic energy. And when you stop, it changes back to potential energy. Energy is constantly being transferred and transformed in everything we do. Finally, let's discuss momentum. Momentum is mass in motion. Imagine playing basketball and dribbling the ball. The ball has momentum because it's moving. If you throw it, it gains more momentum because now it's moving faster. And if a heavier ball, like a bowling ball, moves at the same speed, it has more momentum because it has more mass. So, next time you're out and about, try to spot these physics concepts in action. They're all around us, making the world go round. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome science content. See you next time.
Want to master physics in just 60 seconds? Let's dive in. Speed is how fast you're going. Easy, right? Now acceleration is how quickly your speed changes. Think of it like the turbo on a race car. Force is what makes things move or stop, like pushing a door open. More force, more movement. Energy is all about power. It can be kinetic when you're moving, or potential when you're waiting to move. Imagine a roller coaster at the top of a hill. Lots of potential energy ready to go. Momentum is the combination of mass and velocity. A big truck going fast, that's a lot of momentum. Got it? Use these concepts for your studies. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments below and hit the like button if this video helped you out.